And as a doctor, what do I love about 3D printing? The Oslo integration makes it easier. Really, I love it. And dreaming and creating something is super extremely good for me because I also know some surgeons, they love to design. They love to use the mimics and other applications and they do their own segmentation. This is what is fun for them. And to plan a surgery is also very fantastic. And with 3D printing, you are quite limitless. You can imagine another solutions and you can use a lot of materials. There is a lot of variations of materials and preoperative planning is very easy with 3D printing. Perfect screw implantation is very important in neurosurgery. And what I love about 3D printing as a producer, it's much more time effective for prototyping. As just on my desk, I'm just trying to make a new implant, and I have 3D printed bones and 3D printed designs, and I just always try. I always work with them, so it's quite good for me. Time effective prototyping because when you dream and just throw a plate, then setting the CNC machine and producing it and testing it, it takes quite much more time. And creating a new implant with additive manufacturing is super easy. And you just don't have a lot of loss of raw materials. Shapes doesn't matter anymore. More anatomic solutions for veterinary orthopedists. And you just don't spend a lot of money for stocks. And combining technology and materials like locking screws, we just do the locking screws in our traditional CNC machines. We just take it from the additive manufacturing to CNC machines, make it a perfect implant. And sometimes we do the plates and screws and cages together, especially in TTA surgery. We have the CNC machine TTA and 3D printed CTA. And osseointegration is super crazy in 3D printed TTA. You can just combine them. We just put them in our sets and there is no more stock cost. This is what I love in 3D printing as a producer. And I think that in the next future, we will have biomedical and medical engineers in the hospitals and some 3D printers, and we will just assist them. The future will change. We will just carry our factories into the hospitals. Thank you very much. This is what I will just talk about 3D printing in veterinary medicine.